afternoon, Jack Cam Vloggers. What is going on? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day so far, because where I am right now, it's a Saturday. I'm not sure what day it is where you are, but it's a weekend. Wherever you are, hopefully it's a weekend and you're not at school, because weekends are just the bomb. And today, Cameron released a video for his first ever one by himself up in Pottsville. Up like 10 hours away. Oh, goodbye, Cameron. But yeah, so he released a video up in Pottsville. It's called Epic Drone Fail. I just watched it. You can also go check a video that I just posted. It gives you all the details about the video and all that, and when he's gonna be vlogging, when I'm gonna be vlogging. And this vlog's just gonna be a short one. I'm just gonna go for a little walkie sporky. I don't know where to go though. I'm scared. Oh shit. Mum! No, the car alarm went off. Mum! Help me. Hey, get Mum. It was me, I got out. Yeah. Oh, thank God. That scared the absolute crap out of me. Well, at least this vlog's not going to be boring now. Well, let's go check out all the kids. There's a drain. Hey, gate, shut. I told you to shut. This is just going to be like a vlog. Just chilling out with the fam. See what everyone else is doing out here. Hey, Charlie. What are you doing? Georgie!
Hey, Jack.
Hey, Poppy.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost? Yeah. But we did alright, actually. Nah, we had a good last quarter, though. It was only 40 points in the end or something. Yeah, we did. Say hi.
Hey guys, what up? We're doing some fishing.
Oh, you doing some fishing? Fishing on land. Fishing on land. The best fishing quality out here in Randytown. It's the best you'll get. Quality boat. Good fish. Good horses. Good bikes, table and chairs and all this stuff. So, yeah. Is there a fish?
Yeah.
Get him. Let me just get this ball. This is ball. I like these balls. Let's this here. Ow. They're finding me before. What? You okay, George? You okay? What? Is there any? Where? Oh, you got them. I see him from here. I'm gonna go get something. I'll be back. Something. It'll be a surprise. Hey, Georgie. See ya. He loves me. And okay, I'm going to end this vlog here. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Sorry if this was a boring vlog. I just wanted to vlog before I got home. We're just chilling at Nan's. So yeah, hopefully we can do something good today. Maybe we could even do a pool jump today. That would be good, because I actually need a pool jump. It's actually hot. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Take it easy, fam. Peace.